Introducing ambojiglobalfoods ready to cook Shevaya Kheer Pysam. Make authentic Shevaya Kheer Pysam. It is ready in minutes. Delicious Sevia Kheer Pysam in 3 easy steps. Empty entire packet of kheer mix in a utensil. Add 750 ml of room temperature milk and close the lid. Let it rest for 20 minutes. Place the utensil on low flame and after letting it rest for 20 minutes, keep stirring continuously for 10 to 15 minutes until the sevia cooks and the kheer thickens. Enjoy the Sevia Kheer Pysam cold or hot as you wish. There is no preservative, no added color. Your rich, authentic Sevia Kheer Pysam is ready. Amboji Global Food, authentic taste made simple.